Ocean animal videos are going viral immediately. Have you seen those wonderful ocean animal videos on YouTube Shorts and TikTok? Giant whales swimming through deep blue water. These videos look cinematic and regularly get thousands of views. To create videos like these, first open ChatGPT. Now type ocean animal cinematic video ideas. ChatGPT will generate 10 different ocean animal concepts. At this point, it's completely up to you which animal you want to create a video about. I go with number 9. Now type here number 9 and write a detailed image prompt. Click Generate. The image prompt is being created. Copy this prompt. Next, open your browser and search for Google Flow. Open first website and paste image prompt here. Hit the Generate button, and in few seconds, our image is ready. Now go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me the detailed video prompt." ChatGPT will create a detailed video prompt. Just copy the video prompt and paste it here. Add this image to video prompt and click Generate. Wait a few seconds and your short ocean animal video is ready. For more unique AI content ideas and tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.